Hi everyone, welcome to Module 2. We're going to look at Module 2 and the independence of trade and the importance of trade in our economy. You'll notice the importance of trade is very important to look at. Trade can help us look at how things are being done in our economy. Trade can make everyone better off. You're going to look at this week, absolute advantage, comparative advantage, looking at these concepts and what they look at. Every day you're going to rely on many people from around the world, most of whom you've never met. But international trade will provide that guidance that we're going to look at for our markets to adjust. Interdependence is something that we discussed in Module 1. And when you look at interdependence, it's looking at how people learn, how people make decisions, and the gains from trade. The gains from trade will be important to look at. People will be better off in terms of this. Trade can make everyone better off, and that's one of the most important establishments. If we look at two countries and two goods, you notice that trading can benefit both people in these parties. You'll notice that these challenges that the trading partners will look at is what advantages they can cause. What is the trading partners can do to make advantages in markets, and that'll be important for us. You'll look at two resources, two goods, two countries, and their impact on our economy. Our ability to evaluate this will be very important for us to look at. And we're going to look at different decisions that we can evaluate in our economy. But having this ability to look at the resource allocation could be critical for our success. And looking at our success, we can look at those advantages in markets to know if we can do things better off or not. So those are some of the concepts that we're going to be covering this week as I look forward to your effort.